What if your home theater or music setup could sound like a cinema, without bulky speakers? The secret? The right ceiling speakers. But beware, some will ruin your sound quality. Face screaming in fear in this video, we reveal the top 5 best ceiling speakers in 2025, including a shocking budget pick that beats $1,000 models. Rockets, stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one to buy. Oh, and all product links? Check the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Klipsch CDT-5650-C II. This efficient speaker produces high-quality sound without breaking the bank. The woofer can shift 15 degrees to adjust the sound dispersion, a unique feature that most in-ceiling speakers lack. Treble and mid-bass attenuation switches let you fine-tune the sound depending on the room or installation. A 0 dB or a -3 dB attenuation is available for both treble and mid-bass. With the switches located on the front of the speaker, you can easily make adjustments even when the speaker is installed. They produce high-quality sound with vibrant bass and crystal-clear highs, though home theater setups still benefit from a dedicated subwoofer, particularly for the deep lows. The dynamics allow for subtleties to carry through to the listener, while precise imaging makes them extremely well suited for home theater use. Number 2. Bose Virtually Invisible 791 Series II. If subtlety is essential to you, the Virtually Invisible 791 II by Bose lives up to its name. They feature a flush mount that stands just a few millimeters from the ceiling board. The tweeters are angled at 45 degrees to provide more precise sound in the direction of the listener. They produce a balanced sound with vibrant mid-range and highs, great for enhancing vocal clarity. Because of the balanced approach, it is useful to consider adding a subwoofer for home theater applications where depth is vital. In addition to their balanced sound, they also provide an immersive soundstage and precise imaging that caters to music and home theater. Number 3. Sonos and Ceiling. Immerse a room with brilliantly clear sound from above. All-around sound. Breathe music into any room. Optimized for Sonos amp, these in-ceiling speakers offer crystal-clear sound custom-tuned with TruePlay for comfortable ambient listening from anywhere in the room. Sound customized to your home. With amp, TruePlay accounts for the size, construction, and furnishings of the room where the speakers are placed and automatically adjusts for the best possible sound. Designed to disappear. The specially designed round, or optional square, grills can be painted to match the ceiling. Power more with amp, power up to 3 pairs of Sonos by Sonos architectural speakers with a single Sonos amp for even more sound coverage. Number 4. Micca M-8C. Micca Media Series and ceiling speakers are designed for optimal performance in a wide variety of home audio applications, from relaxing background music to high-impact home theater systems. Their smooth and natural sound signature with robust bass output deliver an engaging listening experience. Easy to install, the built-in mounting tabs grab securely onto drywall or wood panels with no need for additional brackets or boxes. With durable construction and materials, Micca in-ceiling speakers are great for family rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and covered outdoor porches, providing years of lasting enjoyment. Modern and elegant, using a rhymed grille design, the Micca Media Series ceiling speakers protrude minimally from the wall and blend unobtrusively into any decor. When painted to match the wall color, they become virtually invisible, giving you great sound without taking up valuable space. Number 5. Pyle 8-inch Bluetooth flush mount. Built-in Bluetooth no-hassle wireless music streaming from all your favorite Bluetooth-enabled devices, perfect for incredible stereo sound in any room in your home from speakers you can barely see without using any floor or shelf space. Changeable grills includes a pair of round and square stain-resistant speaker grills for you to choose, match existing flush-mounted designs in your home or workplace for a clean look and achieve wide-range sound performance without compromise. Seamless integration, perfect sound wherever you need it, great for existing home theater systems and custom applications. This Pyle two-way in-ceiling or in-wall speaker system doubles as a 4-channel sound processing digital amplifier. Flush mount design, compact flush mount design for simple easy installation in-wall/in-ceiling, or pre-cut speaker openings, for in-home use, office, professional, or custom audio applications on any flat surface power, 100/240V, 12V DC power supply. Easy to install includes a cutout size template and quick connect spring-loaded speaker terminals with spring-loaded fixing clips for simple, easy, no-hassle installation with included speaker connection wire, Bluetooth controller and power supply. So, which ceiling speaker is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Down arrow, and if you missed it, our number 1 pick will blow your mind. Go rewatch now. Fire, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bellhop bell so you never miss our next audio showdown. All the speaker links? They're waiting for you in the description. Shopping cart. Until next time, enjoy your perfect sound.